Hi everyone, it's Kasia from Tarot Map, and I'm back from holidays. And I have gone to Croatia and back. I have visited Maria Bistrica Mary Sanctuary again. Have purchased some sweet, Mary sculptures, and I'm hoping to do a little, maybe like a reminiscent video about the holidays themselves. But this video, I just thought I'm too excited to talk about it because I have arrived home and there were new goodies waiting for me. So I just wanted to make a short video because I'm excited about decks, and I haven't played with my decks for over 3 weeks. So every time I come back from holidays, I'm like, oh yeah, show me my decks. But there are new decks. So I have received from a swap, the long awaited. I have waited for this swap and for this deck for a few years. Robert and Place's Gnostic Book of Saints, so Tarot of the Saints. And yeah, I know a lot of you wrote me. I'm pretty lucky to have received this copy from beautiful Cynthia. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for wanting to swap with me, to posting the deck to me so beautifully, and that I didn't have to pay the taxes on it. So that's really worked out perfectly fine. The deck was waiting for me at home. It has different saints, and I love the minors with different stories from the Bible, and I'm just excited about all these Christian themes right now. So it's got angels, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be diving into this deck very soon. Another one they have received for review is this deck I saw at Roxanne's Instagram, the Everyday Tarot by Dawn Zichko, I think. Zichko. She is on Instagram as well. And if you put the tag, the Everyday Tarot, you can check her out, or link her in the description box below. You can purchase this from Etsy, and you can choose an option with her handmade bag for the cats or without. So she sent this for review, and this bag, so sweet. She has another deck, amazing oracle deck, which I really love. She just sent the tarot, so I'm going to show you the tarot deck, but you can check the oracle deck. This is a photographic tarot deck, so I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. I used to have only one photographic deck, and it wasn't really my cup of tea so much either, just because it was this hazy, when the decks have only one haze, like a color haze added to it, so it was all like kind of purplish. Or this one is quite moody and a little bit different. It has different colors, but it has this kind of subdued, this Nine of Pentacles, how sweet, subdued colors to it. It's an interesting deck. I just looked at it at Roxanne's Instagram, and I thought, like, it's really interesting. So I wanted to show this deck to a wider group of people. So maybe some of you, are interested in decks like this as well. I actually did a reading with this deck for today. Even it was my morning, 9 of Air. And then I went to see my mom, and then I'm going to do some work. And I also purchased this Tree Whisper Oracle by Max from Woodlands Hack. And look how beautiful these decks look together. So the tree guides and this deck, somehow the colors are just, I don't know, they just go together really nicely. And yeah, I kind of was surprised. And this deck is amazing. Max created this. She has a beautiful YouTube channel as well. This Tree Whisper Oracle, she's created this for herself, kind of, for some friends. But I think a lot of people like this deck and want to. I just got it from her, and I know that a lot of you from my friends I see on Instagram have it. It just, she's created all these images of the trees, and some of the trees showed like the guides what I loved, I'm going to do a proper review of it, but I just noticed when I was watching, you can see so many of the guides here, you know, it depends when and what you're looking for. I love this one. And sometimes I notice also that I see different, or I feel or hear different words to what Max proposes, which I'm sure she doesn't mind, of course. So I'm going to sometimes look at the word, but sometimes I don't think I will. So anyway, this is a really cool deck, this Tree Whisper Oracle, and I can't wait to play with it more. Same as with this Everyday and the Everyday Tarot. Another deck that I got sent for review was by Lauren Kenny, and this is the Miracle of Light Soul Activation card. I got the pleasure to talk to Lauren, and she has done a reading for me, and what came up from this, I just opened it, really, I haven't even seen it yet. What has come up of the reading, she pulled one of the cards from the deck, and she said, oh, I associate this, this card with Mother Mary. So, you know, what I thought, I was like, oh, wow. So this is on the backs of the cards. Oh, there's something is not right. Okay, this one is not cut. I'm going to take my my corner sharpener, maybe it will work. So anyway, these are the cards, and Lauren paints those. Those are intuitive paintings and very kind of abstract. They like angelic beings, energy beings, and as we know, they don't really have bodies. They're more like vibration or color. She's done this reading for me, and she's a psychic as well. It was really interesting to get a reading with this deck. So I'm going to do a review of this deck as well, but just wanted you to see what it is, how it looks like. And soul activation cards, you can check Lauren's website. She has some more information on it. It's called coloryoursoul.uk. coloryoursoul.uk. She's also on Facebook as Octavius Tarot. So they just come in this kind of little bit flimsy box, really, but yeah, beautiful. So another one, you've seen the Dawn Bedel's Emotional Energy Oracle. I haven't even opened it yet, but she sent me another copy before. She's introduced some changes, and now the cards are bigger. They come in a steadier box. And maybe you remember this. You can see Emotion Energy Oracle on my YouTube channel. I've done a review of the previous version, but I'm going to show you the new one very soon, which is really sweet. She sent me this little card stand, which is great because I don't have any card stands. And then Sila sent the Intuitive Tarot. I have the first edition, the out of print one, but I see that the new one is done the same way as the Shimmering Veil Tarot, and I've just seen that the new version of Shimmering Veil Tarot is being sent to Sila very soon. Hopefully it can be purchased in September, and it's gilded in this kind of shimmering, shimmering colors, so that looks really cool. But I love this deck. This deck went with me on holidays, and it's amazing, elemental, kind of very striking love deck. So Intuitive Tarot has arrived as well, so I can show you, I can compare with the old version if you're interested. And then I also have purchased from Book Depository this Hoodoo Tarot by Tiana Lee McQuilla, and artwork by Caitlin Foisey. And I love the artwork of it, but you have to watch Oya's Girl review of this deck. It's amazing. As soon as I saw this review, I was like, okay, I want to learn more. And I trust Queen O said, she said that the person who wrote the book knows about the subject as well, and her review is amazing, incredible. You have to see it. So I'm going to link it here, but definitely I'm going to link it under my review of it, which is going to be like, depleted version of what she has done with to review this deck. It's amazing. So yeah, imagine all those goodies waiting for me when I arrived. So I'm excited. I'm off to play now. Actually, I'm off to do some work. And yeah, you're going to be seeing these decks on my Instagram account. So please follow me on Instagram if you don't do that yet. Thank you to everybody who has purchased readings, my classes, webinars from my website when I was on holidays. That was greatly appreciated, and thank you for patiently waiting. I'm back now, and I'm getting back to work, so your readings will be delivered this week. So thank you again for being gracious with me and patient, and I will send you readings right now. So I hope everybody's fine, that you guys healthy. I'm healthy, I'm happy. Don't believe everything the news says. Just do your own research, check for facts. It seems like pandemic might not be as deadly as it's reported to be. When you're elderly, when you have preconditioned illness, be careful, of course, for all sakes. Just look after yourselves, look after your close ones. But also don't get into fear so much. That really ruins your immune system and weakens your energy body and your body's defenses. And stay as happy as possible, and just use whatever you've learned over your lifetimes, whatever methods you can use to keep yourself, don't get depressed, don't get very discouraged. It's tough times, it's intense, it's 2020, we are going through a birthing canal. It is a year of intense experiences, of very powerful initiations for many of us on different levels, and just try to live from day to day. Don't plan for too much, because plans don't work this year really. So I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon. Much love. Bye.